try to show Pony. Pony, you want to show what you like? Okay.
Soda, get back.
Oh, this is Pony, and he's... Pony, we're trying to make your book, and you're getting in the way. And he's my baby. Oh, Pony. I kind of spoil him because he's got some behavior problems. Oh. And what should we say about you, Pony? He's very nice to people, but he hates other dogs, right?
Mm-hmm.
He doesn't like them. Nope. And he actually, when another dog came by, he actually bit Brian. But we don't like to talk about it.
A permanent mark.
Yeah, it was a big one. We
Right.
don't like to talk about it. But with Mom, he's sweet, gentle, and one thing that he does, he knows one trick. He's not very smart, but he does know one trick. Pony, can you get your binky? Pony, get your binky. Get your binky. No, go away. Pony, get your binky. Oh, and he'll hold that in his mouth. He'll even sleep with it. Here, let's try to show him with it. Get your binky. Go away. Get your binky. Pony, get your binky. Get your binky. He usually gets it by himself. Oh, no, let me look anyway. Okay.